Water is a limiting abiotic factor required for plant growth. It plays a key role in photosynthesis, a process by which green plants prepare their food. Fundamentally, all the water used by terrestrial plants is absorbed from the soil by roots. Let us now understand how roots absorb water from the soil. Root cells lie in close contact with water and minerals present in the soil. As the concentration of water is more in the spaces between the soil particles as compared to the cell sap of roots, water and minerals enter the root hair cells through a process known as osmosis. As a result of the entry of water and minerals, root hair cells become turgid. These turgid cells mount a pressure on the nearby cells. This pressure is known as root pressure. Water and minerals reach the xylem of the roots as a result of the root pressure. Water is constantly being absorbed by the roots to reduce the difference in the concentration of minerals outside and inside the roots. Have you ever thought, what is the outcome of this continuous movement of water in the roots? Due to the continuous movement of water, a water column is formed which pushes water up the xylem in the stem. This pressure is enough to push water up in small plants such as shrubs. But what about tall trees? How do they get water up the stem? Let us find out. The aerial parts of the plant continuously lose water in the form of water vapor. This phenomenon is called transpiration. Let us perform an activity to extend our perception about transpiration. Take two pots, A and B, of the same size, containing the same amount of soil. Pot A should have a plant and pot B should contain a stick of the same size as that of a plant A. Cover the soil in both the pots with a plastic sheet to check evaporation. Cover both pot A and B with plastic sheets and keep them in bright sunlight for about half an hour. What do you observe? You will observe water droplets on the inner side of the plastic sheet over pot A. How did this happen? We know that the leaves of a plant have tiny microscopic pores called stomata. Water evaporates through these pores. Due to the constant loss of water through the leaves via transpiration, a negative pressure builds up in the leaves. This pressure acts like a pulling force, which thereby pulls water up the stem. Thus, water moves up to the leaves through the xylem to compensate the loss of water. Water and mineral nutrients are required by the plants for their survival. Transportation is a vital process as it is necessary for the movement of water and minerals to all parts of the plant.